Hey yo guys, it's your boy Ndilum Kabele, the most expensive one X. Hey, watch till the end. Enjoy today's content. Hope you enjoy. Guys, thank you. Hey yo guys, your boy Ndilum Kabele, the most expensive one X. So Buffett is called Lana Harry Smith going to join us back after
proceed to the route.
I'm sorry to vlog sengizofika, you know ukuthi kube khona ama delays abe khona ngithola, but yeah ngizobamba into ezomphaphamisa, you know, Doritos noma Lay's, you know, sibamba ubuhlungu guys, hamba ngebhasi eyakhathaza. Doritos khona lamancane khona lamakhulu. Oh yeah, no. Lawa nje. I wake up blue. Guys, I wake up blue. And lawa bofu no. Nazo natunyelo egarage. My favorites, yeah, no problem. Sasa la machine, this one, wofen qedile lapho ufana. Sefuna into yokuphuza yokuphuza ngizethula. See what? I'm taking two. You know, I got these things. I said, look, Buffett, so nothing much. I'm sorry. Vele sengizofika vele yabo, ngizodla phambili ngifuna ukuyicina. I mean a budget. I mean I think guys, like millennials, YouTube doesn't pay, TikTok doesn't pay. I don't think millennials. I'm doing this just to entertain you, that's why. Guys, cela nibuke ama-video ami, like and comment and share and subscribe. Press the notification bafethu. Remind you that I mean a budget. Wanna reach? Ngibona reach, but ke ngizosticker la. Can you subscribe? Ulike. Ngiyacela mfethu. Because manje kubuhlungu ukuthi umuntu abuke ubone ama-views emaningi ema-likes amancane mfethu. Emancane. Lapho ngisanda kushaya 1K. It's 1.1K now. Ivideo like ngiyipostile kodwa subscribers mfethu, come on. Ngizama ifefe, come on. Going to pay for Kamanja. Sorry. Njani? Siyaphila. 130. Hey, ziyabiza izinto. Ngicane kanje. Hayi sengiyabona ukuthi why abazali behlezi bekhala ukuthi hey this that. till 1:13 should be okay. Subscribe. Ngiyabonga manje. Kube nisuku oluhle. Mawe social ebhasini. Nakhona futhi ngihlala la kancane eminyaka just to relax, cool down. Ngiqaqeka ngizomahla amaseklo masephuma ngino. Wema. Okay, basahleli but ngiyolile. Outfit check. Sebangene egoli. Babyface, I'm coming for you. Spooky, everyone, LP go. Bonke abantu abaseGoli ngiyeza. Ngithola. Ngadlala guys, I'm not sure ukuthi ngizobabona but I'll see, ne. Ngiyathandaza. Because uBabyface ngimthestile what's kanjena nama gig. But sobona. Ngithola. Yes, ayibhasini manje ngazingisale lana eHarrismith. This is the place, guys. This is the place. I'm Nanti Paslam. Hong Kong. Cape Town. I'm meant to say Cape Town. But okay, guys, bunje is Harrismith down, guys. Lena garage de la Harrismith. Make the KFC kana unkin downtown. Nyam. Say passing. I'm in a bus right now, so assisting the band. Mbonile nje ngathi kufeqala kwami. Ngizodinga abantu packets fine. Guys, due to ifoni yami sizocima. Ngizonibona ngalena eGoli. Bese ngifike eJohannesburg ngithola. Hey guys, Pagat's inside. Happy New Year to my people. Yeah, Pagat's inside and so on. My friends, cookies, from my estate and so on. Day 2 in Johannesburg. Yo, out of words and so on. But it's too much. Guys, thank you. Happy New Year, guys. Yo, I got inside. Johannesburg, okay. Day 2. And so on. Let's see, it's me and Bonagali. Yeah, Happy New Year. Like Bugan Fates, Gilala, Goma Estates, Rafetala, Johannesburg. It's too much, guys. It's like, check. Whoa! Whoa! Yo! What? Yo, 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 yo. Guys, too much. Yo. Yo.
Happy New Year!
Huh?
Happy New
Year.
Happy New Year! Happy New Year, my friends!
Away. Away, away, away. Yo! Shit. Yo. Guys, it's too much. All right. Katumban kan. Ipi gale. Yeah, ipi. Bese dia desu. Hey. Too much. Yo. Check this Fiesta, you know. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Away. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Laka, Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Yo. Happy New Year, Timer.
Thank you.
Danko. Happy New Year. Yo. Apa nak? Happy New Year, son. Sim, ya. Balik apa face? Shit, apa face? Yo. Yo, check this one. Yo. Hey, sorry. Khona maphoyisa ngaphandle man. Ha. Yo guys, Happy New Year. Shucks. Like guys, angibona ngizamila isla ngakhona but ke angazamela ngiyangibona yini. Yangithola. But it is what it is, bafethu. Hope 2025 will be the best year in my life, yangithola. Yeah. Make sure to subscribe, like, comment and share, yangithola. More videos are coming. Yangithola. Danko. Yo. Man. Yo. Guess what, guys? Yo. Ay. Second location, third location, so much, guys. Second location. You trying to skip? You come back? Yo, too much, guys. Yo. Buttons of on. Okay.
Welcome to 2025.
Guys, it's too much. I'm gonna
Okay, over there. Everybody, Every papa. Oh God.
Hey guys, hey yo guys, ngikhathele mfethu ngifuna ukulala manje.
Sihle. Sihle. Nidakwa yo.
Eh?
Sihle nidakwa yo.
Kunabantu abasaphuza ngalesikhathi.
It's too much. Hey guys, bonakale guys.
Let's have a takeaway now.
Oh guys, I've ordered the most expensive one XA. So celebrity at Glen guys, it's 22 ngiyamthola. Siyala phana eSouth Gates. Ufuna ushayisa ithonyana la eJohannesburg ngiyamthola. Khulekani eDurban bafethu ngizonibona lonke bafethu iJozi. Ngiyamthola. Make sure that you subscribe, share, like, and so on. Guys, thank you. Guys, so Cyprus here claim 22. Economy is our key. I don't know, we fucked up. One thing guys ngemiza ngala ukuthi yama design akhona manje, you know, everything nje ngiyithanda nami ngahlala nje lapha kuba nje lo yellow face you guys, it's too much. Hey tada uba ish madoda ngemumva lakubonakala ngaphambi. Okay, ngizonikhombisa kulo muzi lo. Isho ubonakala. Ubonakala bafethu.
Ngizosiyami le TV le yalezani.
nuts. Uyanjena bafethu Southgate umsolo. Yeah. So uthenga inyama. Uthosa laphayana manje ngithola. Yo. Phetha amarazi ngipha. Hayi ngeke ungenze lutho noma namarazi. So uthenga inyama la bafethu. So guys, sesithenga inyama lana Southgate. Angazi biza ngale ndawo. Khona ngihlobo yenyama nazo zonke bayisikhona. Hey baba, nathi chole zonke ihlobo lenyama la.
Khona lonke mfana.
Yo.
Hey.
Thatha namaneki la.
Pack of meats. Well.
Hey, anyway, kube siqale ngawo lo mfethu uvela wabamba bengifuna
As we vying, ngithanda inyama isithengiwe. Yeah. Nansi. Taste the place.
Impala la.
Impala lezi. Sibeke la.
Impala. Kankulu.
Biltong. Nilongbuka ngiyo. So nice. Lapho bengazi kanjena ibiltong inyama ye-Springbok. Like ngiqala ukwazi manje guys, like ihlaza. Mnandi. Sayimotweni. Usho abanye bayibuza, bandile Mkhabela. Ikephi la meat yakho leya? Uyithengile kuseyikhona. Ikhona petrol ikingi. Petrol.
Impala khona. Ngoba ngaxethenisiwe kakhulu
Beshe. Southgate Mall ngani?
Yeah.
Okay. Bakhona.
Nah, yayithi manoma lapha.
Oh.
Shooting at the boat khona.
Guys, Kaizer Chiefs ijimela lapha. Sila iProtea Glen Mall. Mall ya la iProtea le ngani baba? Protea Glen Mall ngitsalo. Ika nje. Third location, a second location was Pinesa Gate Mall. This is like Protea Glen Mall now. So it's like Protea Glen Mall buffet. So baba inyama futhi inyama iyathanda la ekhaya ngithanda. So nje yeah. Thank you. Wakhotman akho. Just arrived. Hello guys, the point of the most expensive and access package inside. Day 4, Johannesburg. So, Petit Zinja.
Hello guys, ngikhuluma nje ngawo. Khulume fast la. Ngena yiso offsite kwehla.
Oh, mfethu. Mfethu. Why you to strike kumele sibe offside?
Need to be careful.
Never be careful. Inside.
Bonke.
Yeah. Bayibiza yiphi le ndawo le Alpico? Oh. Eish, fanaka. Hey. Hey. Eish man. Exi. Sekwanda limkhabela. Yari. Operating Petit in Antigo.
Exi. Mashallah. Serious. Mashallah. Yona sana. Anginalanga lonke. Let's phone. What's your name? Hari? Pony.
Pig.
Pony.
Pony.
Oh. What grade are you in? Grade 1.
Tired, ne?
Tired.
Lutu so. Mele.
Manje nje bengafuna ukushutha.
Sure.
Bomba ngathi ngiphuzile. Angiphuzi. Kodwa ngathi ngiphuzile. Ngendlela engikhathele ngakho.
Hey man.
Namanje ngisashutha. Samele ngishuthe lo ngishutha.
Cabanga nami lokushutha bekushutha.
Kunini. Hola mfethu.
Hey bafethu. Right. Mosh bye come.
Nikove 1-1.
Ghost izinja kohluba omncane. How's it? Sandos. Awe hayi nyamazilo mbrani. Curious.
Aningi la magama.
Twana. Whoa. Mina like I'm coming all the way from Durban, you know? Yeah. So operating content. So would you like to go to Durban? Like if ufika lapha eDurban like inda kungayenza noma inda kungathi lefika ngiyenza lokho.
Ubona abantu abasha.
Imali okay abantu cause eDurban kade like bengibuza kanjena abantu abangala eGoli balijabulele lakhulwandle like iqiniso lelo.
Yeah, ivar.
Yeah,
Sijwayelanga nisulo.
Ngijwayelanga ulwandle.
Kodwa thina abanye sibuya khona.
Sure. Exe like ubunga kephi?
Mina ngiselufu.
Ilofu. Oh, ngiyabona.
Ilofu basi.
Sure, ngiyabamba. Wake waye gallery.
Yeah, ngiyabona.
Exe.
Ila imamona.
Sure. Hayi mina ngiskima yonke leyo ndawo ne. Sure.
Setoti ne.
Etoti sure ngiphethe buka. funa nenze ocela kubatshela ukuthi be-subscribe nto.
Bafethu
Yeah,
subscribe.
bafethu like and comment. Yeah, and subscribe in.
Sure.
Bafethu khona next time nami bazomfaka elwini.
Twana. Fili.
Thank you Batman.
Thank oh. Behind the scenes, guys. Behind the scenes. Behind the scenes.
Yabo plus unokungibona ngizozwakala nami phela amazulu nje awufela sonke awi no kazi mfana
Scoop sana.
anginaso yiboy
Shikolwethu. Nami ngoniwe ngapha.
Abantu bahamba ngeyilwane man. Awuhamba nechair. Guys, finally done shooting. So, I give you 3 years now, guys. I give you 3 years. No man, like more to 3 years. The pair. The pair the more to that.
awi thank you boy
Sure.
shade mfana ngicabanga nento ezibha
Hello guys, ngiphethe uAlwande. Ngiphethe uAlwande la support someone. Ilanga lakushisa. Baba bethu uyasibayizisa. Akusiyo. Siyaqonda. Wenzani?
4.5 mama yacela. It's like
I think it's XR.
please.
Guys, phakathi inside so suqedile guys wena molile le yalana you know sifuna ukami stay tuned, make sure you subscribe. Danko guys, baba siyaphi kombe park bani siyaphi mo Operate content guys ngimthola. Operate le kick emnandi. No stress, relaxan ngimthola. Almost day. So guys, Mall of Africa ibukeke injena. Singaphezulu manje. Ngimthola parke. Funa ukukhombisa ngaphandle. The most interesting place ngimthola. Yabo. guys, so come to this side, let me show you the place. I'm told. Parrot inside, I'm told the Mall of Africa, I'm told. Inside. All the way from Jeffrey. It's parrot inside. Okay, see? Then down there now, like so far, I'll give it like 9.5. We're going to go to the like we are sensing more than so. But okay, it's fine. Here is the 200, the more than include in the sensing, right? Okay, so bonus operator ranger. Yo guys, it's giving Oceans Mall Linyan. Young son. It's giving Oceans Mall. Dala guys, Osasha bebeshela ama content elana sengikhona ke kule ndawo le yangithola. Okay ngani ziyadlala lapha nathi ngimanje ngithola. Yeah. Yo. Guys, kukanjena la guys inhle le ndawo lena.
The sun is burning me.
Homa.
Suspect is being burned by the sun.
Kuyashisa kodwa manje ayi alingidlula ubheli yo. Ungishayelana. Guys, angishaya. Yo guys, ngeke bukani lapha. Look at that thing guys, that's water. That's mini waterfall inyana ngithola ngazi ngiyayibiza ngani ke. But ngithi mini waterfall. Yo uyasho umuntu asekhaya. Hey madoda.
The suspect.
Hey. Donna, we listen, we don't charge, ne? Donna, since it's couple up. Donna, in my ways, like I can explain. Listen! Benga nas, like ngis pathange sami. Alwande, my man. Alwande basi ngibhuti wakho nje. Alwande no. Guys, that's annoying. Alande. But we listen, we don't judge.
We judge. You don't listen, we judge.
But this troop is troop on Jay. But it's fine. Alande was. Yo guys, I feel like ilanga like lingalana man. Mele shy man. Yes. Yo guys.
Hi guys, it's me again. The
Wow.
queen.
People, you're the queen, you know.
Guys, the sun is burning me like into and I don't like it.
Yo guys, ababona ngila. Ngisangenile guys, angakadla lutho but ke yo so far the place it's not. Hlanga ikho lento le bafethu like elenibuke guys. Yo. Serious?
No, like I'm putting a question. Like if name. Maybe when like okay, ulihle cousin yam ne. And then when we cousin yam, ulihle yini ku. Like mina related no lihle. Now got to related nam like nani related nam no two when we yini kulihle.
Mina kulihle mina. I won't say like it's a family friend.
Kanjani? But related nam.
I'll take her like as my sister though.
Stay. Okay, siyabona usister nana uyini kahle kahle.
Akasi lutho kimi, akasiyimi lutho. Yabo kumina nje hayi, akasiyena sisi wami. Yabo.
Kanjani?
Mina usisi wami wena. Cause wena uzalwa umamkhulu, usisi kama. Iwena usisi wami ne. Ulihle uhlobene nawe. Ne? Yeah, ulihle nje asilutho kumina. We not there.
For ubani? Ulihle?
No, not for ulihle ngiyasho example. Ne?
Oh.
Okay, kephi lana? Fun Park.
It's black and white.
Okay. Fun Park phela mina nginendaba nalokho. Utho TikTok nami phela me TikToker. Angithwala. Sina Fun Park guys. Yes, then. Umshana kusha. Mina umshana. Guys, listen. Alwandi la uyadidika ne. Uthi usisi wakhe ulingana nami. Uthi mina I have to call her aunt. Ididi le. Hoyibo. Uyasizwa uthini wena? Okay, I guess this is mine.
Okay.
Ay.
Thank you.
Ulihle cousin yakho kwena? Hayi ngeke ngithisole igoli loyo. Hayi ngeke ngale Durban kuwena ulihle ingane yakho. Kuyena kumele athi mncane.
Phela baba Kimba. Baba Kimba mom. You understand?
Oh.
So we cousins just at mncane. You can be a sis.
Manje lona indaba athi yena kumele ambize ngo-auntie. Uthi-ke
Oh no. Yeah, umamncane wakhe.
uthi alande kumina kumele ngibize ulihle ngolokhuza ngomamncane.
Hayi nyamu.
Lezo wo azamkhulu ngizithini uthi kumele ngibize ulihle mina ngimize lapho ukuthi ngibize ulihle ngo-auntie. Hayi mina hayi siyalingana no hayi bo ngimtala futhi nolihle ngasambeni Hey guys, supporting Mkabela. Say, already bought the tickets on Todd. Smagas inside. Going to play, going to have some fun here on Todd. Ngishilo ngathi ufuna ukukhombisa lonke igoli. All right. How's the day so far? It's fine. It's hot. Hot like a heater. Ma, whoa, mind you, this is slow. What's the one? What's the one? Yo, those are the shows, you know. Guys, so it's like Mall of Africa. Ngiyasho futhi kade ngiliculo. Uthi angikhona ne? But ke I know I look crusty khanda asikho lapho. Ela singalinaki lokho bafethu. Okwamanje silana yo, family heights. Just isimanga nje wezulu. Lonke.
Eh? Hayi bo.
Senor.
I hope like ayikho amafoni ayaphunyuka la. Ah,
Cry baby and stuff.
lele. Egold Reef batshela wakhala wena.
Uba mina. Iwena wakhala ngiqambela amanga lana. Ngithanda kancane because wayeba ngiyona kanjena phezulu.
What is it drop?
Ini?
Ngithowa.
Ngifuna leyo nto.
No. Kuba ifoni yami yaphunyuka bhekika kanjani?
Ngiyithatha.
Ha? Guys, the view is nice makashonas.
Guys, mina ngifuna ukuzalana thintani mina.
Nje
ngizothola like promo ya 40% ngithola.
Nami guys yo.
I-prom code how sesiyehla njalo. Ha, hey. Hayi kuse.
Sirobiwe shem. Hayi angifuni ukungasho sirobiwe.
But phansi guys kubuka kunjena you can have some fun sazolala ngama game hey cishe yawo ifoni
Amathikithi barobiwe okay.
Cha ngisazocela mina amathikithi unamanga losisi lo
Namanga.
Hayi amathikithi awu 6,000 wazi ntwana danko Thana ngiyabonga ngikhiphile ntwana ungivu
Guys, si-share guys 50-50 guys.
ngangithola
Khiphile.
awe
Like
hello guys ngiphethe hello sabaya yes so guys ngishana mamncane lona lo mansu blue manje hello guys hello Hey guys, so the ocean baskets. Let's go back to the party. Nothing much.
ukwenzela i-roll njani ne izokhe roll
Like nje isuku lapho sowufana bani.
fakele
Don't lie,
so
yazi like ukuthi ukhathele. Huh?
dying, guys.
Aha. Inyawo zona. This dude's buffet ngiqamanga. Guys, ngiphethe uLwandile Mkhonza lana. Izinja
Lemonade.
lentwana. Fake izazi. Njani? Msikiphethe mzala yena.
sorry
Wewe mama.
ngazi kuya kubamba
Huh? Fuze ba. Fuze mina. Oy, ufuze mina. Fuze mina. Mina faka emhlabeni.
Guys,
Uyaxoka. Ufuze mina lo mntana no. Ukubona ukuthi phela mina angigundile ngithwala. Ha? So guys, this is my food. Alwande. Out of 10. Ngagrate ba? Just for the look. I-look yakhona. 10. One thing, he's okay. He's okay. Oh, for 25.
I'm a chest. Alright, wait, let me use my other hand to like my nails.
Cheers. Cheers. This is fire. Umnandi for me.
Very deep,
Ngathina ngingayinika like 7.8. 7.8, you know? 8, 20.
8.
Okay. Usalt ukhona yena.
Yep. Ningadi.
Yazi ngiqala ukuza la. Like it's my first time. No, consider I'm fucking nice.
Wow, guys, wow.
That is so far.
hello mama hi
Nginika 8.5. It's not bad.
sister salam
Guys, this is the back view. And so, yo, so beautiful. Yo. Ufuna ukuya laphana emove like phambili ne. Ngimkhombise like the Oh guys, a point I'm coming say. Sengina nokuqedela intro yami ngitsona. So this is the back view of imall yalana. Hey, thanks for watching till the end. Make sure you subscribe, like, guys. Thank you so much for the support, everything. Siyakhula ama-subscribers ngiyabona. To those who subscribe ngiyabonga. Kulabo abangasubscribe ababukile ngiyacela nenze into right, ngiyathanda. Danko.